Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Day number 10 guys of my Thanksgiving Day menu. And this is a salad right here that we always have on Thanksgiving. Most of the times along with a potato salad. This is going to be my tuna and macaroni salad. Guys, this thing is absolutely delicious. And I'm not going to waste any time with it. So easy to put together. So let's jump into this video and I'm going to show you how I get this done. Nothing really to show so far as prep wise. You just want to boil you some elbow macaroni until they're nice and tender. Everybody should know how to boil some macaroni noodles until they're nice and tender. You see all of my liquid is just about gone, so I just discarded that. And I had a brain fart, thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But in any case, I had me some eggs already boiled. Everybody should know how to boil eggs also. And I added my eggs to it, and some black pepper and some Duke's mayonnaise. You can see my tuna fish over there. I used the Star Kiss tuna fish in the oil. That's my favorite tuna fish to use. So I just got my eggs and mayo and black pepper in. Coming in there. I drained my tuna off really well. And coming and adding that inside of here. I'm going to be using 4 cans of tuna fish, but I'll have exact measurements and everything in the description of the video, so don't really worry about jotting down what all I'm using on the screen here. I'll have that full recipe for you down in the description of the video. So let's go ahead and get my tuna fish inside of here. And another thing guys, you see me, I'm still mixing it in the pot because I like to mix it while my noodles are still nice and hot, because it absorbs all of the flavors and just gives you a nice tasting product in the end. Now normally I would add my sweet relish at this point also, but sweet relish was in the refrigerator and I was too lazy to get up and go get it. So this is going in the refrigerator, so I'll mix this. I will mix in the relish at another time. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. So just go ahead and mix that, and I'm just bringing this together so that you could excuse me, I'm having a brain fart again. I'm just adding enough mayo to bring this together. I'm not trying to get this exactly perfect the first time, because this is going to sit in the refrigerator overnight, and that noodle is going to absorb basically all of that mayo. So I'm just adding enough just to bring this together the first time, let it sit overnight, then I'll come back and add some more mayo to it and get the consistency that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice little mix. Once I have that mixed together, that is going to go in the refrigerator guys, cover it overnight, and then I'm going to come back the next morning and I'm going to finish putting this all together, adding my sweet relish to it and some more mayo, and just like that, had a good night's sleep and I'm back. And you can see when I mix this, you can see how dry it is, because it absorbed basically all of that mayo that I added the night before. So this is where we're going to come and we're going to finish this thing off. I'm going to get my sweet relish over here and come in and add this. The sweet relish really makes the salad guys, in my opinion. I tasted it without the sweet relish and it just wasn't, you definitely need this, or some sweet pickles, whatever the case might be. Then we'll come in and get my good old Duke's mayonnaise over here. I don't care what they say about Duke's mayonnaise. They like Blue Plate and Hellman's, and Hellman's is America's favorite mayo and all of that other jive they be talking, but I don't care. Duke's mayonnaise is #1 in my books. If I don't have Duke's, I don't want it. We're gonna go ahead and get this mayo and this sweet relish mixed in. You want to mix this really good, guys, because it's going to be some of that pasta that's still down on the bottom here that you might not see at first. So you want to make sure that you mix that really good. And that was still dry, so we'll come in and add me another couple scoops of mayonnaise inside of here. Come on, can you mix the thing? Sometimes I move a little slow, guys. I don't know what I be doing in between, but a lot of times I just move a little slow. Getting more relish inside of here is what I was doing. Probably misplaced the jar is what happened. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get that in there. Then we're going to go ahead and give that a nice mix. And then you're going to see at the bottom, it was still a little dry for me. What the hell am I doing? Excuse me. Oh my God, excuse me. But we're going to go ahead and give that another mix. And slowly coming around to the consistency that I like, but I know my sister likes for me to have that tuna salad nice and creamy, guys, so I gotta make sure I got it on point. And after I mix it and saw a little bit more dry pasta down to the bottom, I went on ahead and added the last of that sweet relish. Then I'm gonna come in here with just another scoop of mayo, and I know that's gonna put me where I want this to be at. Add another little pepper. A little bit of pepper doesn't doesn't hurt. And don't have to add any salt because I salted my water really well before I boiled my pasta, so doesn't have to add any salt inside of here. Plus that mayonnaise has salt also. So alright, so this was it right here, guys. That's the consistency that I wanted. I kind of chopped up this video on the end, but in any case, this is the consistency right here that I wanted. Nice tuna and macaroni salad. And I'll be back with a taste test. Alright guys, coming with a quick taste test. Got my tuna and macaroni salad here. Not gonna waste any time. I want to taste this bad boy. So I'm coming straight in. Get me some of this. Look at that. Nice tuna fish, macaroni, boiled eggs, sweet relish. Give that a try. So good. So good. Perfect amount of that relish. Nice and creamy from that good old Duke's mayonnaise. Just a little black pepper. Then I salted that water really good, so my noodles aren't fresh. That's good. And I can double dip because this is gonna be mine. You guys saw how much salad I had. I already took the rest out, set it aside for whoever wants some. But this is gonna be mine to eat off. Look at that. Good job, Kenny. Alrighty guys, so that is it for day number 10 of my Thanksgiving Day menu. A nice, absolutely delicious tuna and macaroni salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I am definitely going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.